So this is the Sheldrake River, and this flows into the Mamaroneck River, which goes into Long Island Sound. So about 10 years ago, we did a watershed plan for this area for the Mamaroneck and Sheldrake Rivers, and we identified this site as a potential water quality improvement project. And the objective of the project was to filter the runoff, the stormwater runoff coming off the fairways and going into the river. Buffers are great for filtering out pollutants and nutrients from the stormwater runoff. So that's really the main purpose of the project. And also from a wildlife standpoint too, the country club, once the project got established, they've been very complimentary of the project because it has brought in a lot of birds and butterflies and other good wildlife too to the area. And I think the membership enjoys seeing the wildlife that's been out here.
In June 2006, this project was fully completed, and that's when we decided to establish a maintenance program for the project. We've been working with the golf course to make sure that no weeds come into the project, but we also do mow it once a year, and we don't apply any pesticides or fertilizers.
And because this is a private country club, the maintenance too has been very easy. They're great to work with here. The maintenance of the whole buffer project has been terrific.
The benefits that took place were substantial. The vegetative plants that were established along the bank helped with the erosion that is since eliminated, since we now have a complete vegetative stream bed.
And this is a perfect example of a project where the public may not have been so keen on something like this, because a lot of times they look at the grasses and the other plant species in these types of projects and really don't respond well to them. But I think this turned out so well that it's a great example where you can see an ecological feature really getting people excited about projects involving water quality.
And as some of the things that we do on county projects when we build projects like this is we install educational signage so that visitors to the site, most of those projects are on either county-owned or locally municipal-owned public parks. So what we'll do is we'll install some educational signage that helps people better understand and appreciate the restoration process, the ecology that's involved in restoring these sites, and how to replicate them at home.
This is something that is easy enough for people to look to native species that they can put in areas that they might have problems with water quality or just wet spots in their yard, and be able to put these plant materials in, and they'd really take off.